Assalamu alaikum. My name is Salaar Malik, and today I'm going to present to you about famous landmarks in Punjab and the architectural intelligence behind them. So first we have Badshahi Masjid. Badshahi Masjid was built in 1673 by Aurangzeb and is the third largest masjid in Pakistan. It is a manifestation of Mughal architecture, and bricks of this masjid are made of red sandstone that it contains iron. These reflect light differently during the day and at noon, which make them look deep red or orange during the day and light pink or brown during noon. Next, we have Minar-e-Pakistan. Minar-e-Pakistan is constructed to remind us of the Pakistan Resolution of 1940. With its wide base and narrow top, it gives stability against strong winds and earthquakes. Its design reflects a transition from rough stone at the base to polished marble as it ascends, symbolizing nation's journey from struggle to enlightenment. And last, we have Shalimar Gardens. Shalimar Gardens was built for royal pleasure in 1641 by Shah Jahan, a Mughal emperor. It contains 410 fountains that still work, an genius of engineering and architecture of its time, with a gravity-powered water system without use of any machines or electricity. Thank you for listening.